This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about zip bags, specifically these Bag Tech clear plastic zip bags. They're made of a wonderful, fantastic, high-clarity clear plastic that's BPA-free. And there's over 14 sizes to choose from, meaning you have tons of fantastic options, no matter your desired purpose. There are tons of great sizes. The 3x6, 2x12, 3x4 and 4x4, 4x6, 5x8, 6x9, and 8x10, and in the large sizes, the 10x12, 12.5x12.5, and 13x15. The small ones are perfect for packaging a variety of items like spice blends, herbs, seasonings, and doing some ingredient prep. And the larger sizes are great for prepping things like wet and dry ingredient mixes, like marinades, or dry ingredients for making things like cookies or cakes that you make again and again, week after week. And having those blends prepped and ready to go really cuts down on the amount of extra time you need to do things each week. The clear plastic allows for easy identification, and they're also really easy to label. I usually just use a little bit of masking tape and a Sharpie, which most people have on hand in the kitchen. It's important to note these aren't recommended for use in the microwave, but they're great for having at room temperature, using in the fridge or in the freezer. They feature a strong resealable zip lock to keep air out and to lock your flavors in. The various sizes make for not only a great prep tool, but also great organizational tools, making these perfect for caterers, restaurants, or any type of food establishment.